We now have the Order in Council, which enacts various provisions of the 2014 Condominium Property Amendment Act, as well as the Phase 2 regulations. If you've been paying attention to CCI, you've been hearing about this for years. There's one point I love to underline, and I'm going to do it now. It has nothing to do with borrowing. It's insurance. As expected, with insurance, unit owners will be responsible for the deductible portion of any insured loss that occurs in their unit, originates in their unit, occurs in their unit, or their privacy area. Okay, so that means if something happens in the unit and it's not your fault, the toilet explodes, there's a water loss, water damage flows through to the floors below, there's a $50,000 deductible or a $25,000 deductible, the owners are now responsible for the deductible. Doesn't matter what the bylaws state. That used to be determining, they used to determine who was responsible. It's now the owner under the regulations. So for anyone here that's a board member, for anyone here that's a manager, you should be making sure that every unit owner that you have responsibility for knows the following. 1, get unit owner coverage. Get a unit owner policy. 2, make sure that if you have a unit owner policy or get one, that you have deductible coverage. Next, know what the deductible amount specifically for water damage is for your corporation, and that your deductible coverage is at least that amount. If you have $10,000 worth of coverage from your insurance provider and a $25,000 water deductible, you've got a problem to the tune of $15,000. And this is something that I bet you that we probably have unit owners in single-digit percentages in this province know about what's going to be happening effective January 1st.